Hey there, this is the Market Doll Queen, and today I'm going to discuss the recent alert for Tlry. Yesterday I made two videos. This is where video 1 took place. This is where video 2 took place. And as you can see, if I open this up, you can see we were discussing how I use my indicators together to tell me the direction of a ticker share price. Helps me decide if we are at the bottom yet, if it has reversed yet. And as you can see from video 1, I talked about it's going to continue to go lower. Video number 2, still looking at it going lower. And as you can see, the TTM squeeze confirmed this and just gave me all the red bars falling lower and lower. Down here, the volume, those are red sell-offs, MACD going sideways. We did get a possible chance for a trend reversal right there. But as you can see, if I highlight the Bollinger Bands, they are completely contracted together. The share price doesn't have very far to go. It ricochets in between after hours yesterday. It continues to drop. It looks crappy all the way. And as you can see, this morning, let's go ahead and open this part right here. This was pre-market. It still was giving me the sideways confirmation. We were going nowhere. A lot of people were going, oh, woe is me. Tlry is falling out of the sky. It did hit some incredible lows. We did get well below $30 to about, I don't know if I'm to go to the lowest, definitely close to $28. And then she bounced. And as you can see from the TTM squeeze, it started to change in direction. It started to let you know, like these 3 little green candles right here. The yellow bars showed up, started getting smaller, and then a sell-off right there. And then the yellow returned, and we had a hard sell-off with this red candle right there. And then the yellow held. So the volume of momentum didn't care that some sold off right here. And that played out right there. Boom! Big green candle. Short little yellow TTM squeeze, volume kicking in down here. MACD crossed right there. And that's exactly what you want to see. You see that MACD cross? Boom! It shows up right there. Bollinger Bands start to gape wide open, and there it plays out. There goes the Bollinger Bands. They get wider and wider and wider. And as you can see from my EMA ribbon, if you watch video 1 and video 2, and now this video 3, we discussed this EMA ribbon. And we are looking for the EMA ribbon to cross over itself. On a downtrend, red on the top, purple on the bottom. When we've got a trend reversal, the purple is now coming over top of the red one right there. And that's exactly what you want to see. This was alerted by myself for a $35 call. We got it right here. I actually liked it for next week. Just a simple move. $35 strike. I alerted it when it was about, I don't know, maybe $30. I saw the reversal. It has decent open interest, great volume right there. So that's what made me alert it. And I'll tell you what, it's paying off. The Bollinger Bands are still looking good. Look for the red to flip to the underside and the purple to go to the upside in this trend reversal. It did hit a high of $35, which is exactly my strike, and it's still in play. You could have locked in the gains right up here. Keep your eye on this. This quite little tight little doji right here. It's still in play. I like the looks of it. As you can see, video 1 talking about buying the damn puts, and also here. And we talked about VWAP and candle action getting further and further away from VWAP depending on the direction. The further the candles get away from VWAP, the stronger the direction in trend. When they're very tight together, they are just squeezing. And as you can see, very short, low little bars or an absolute TTM squeeze, which is no bars. It could be the red right here. As you can see, if I open this up, give it back to me. Right in here, there's where our squeeze is. Go back, close it up, make it smaller. Everywhere you see it tightened with a red on the center, it's squeezing incredibly hard right there. And when it squeezes, that leads us to believe that the squeeze is going to allow a pop. Whether it's to the upside or the downside remains to be seen, but right here, because of the TTM squeeze, it's to the upside. As you can see, as each bar gets taller and taller and taller. It's holding its own at about the 34, between 34.50-ish level, right around there. I do see it going higher. The Bollinger Band's still expanding. My EMA ribbon is doing good, and now VWAP is starting to point upwards. Still MACD giving me good signals. Like I said, I have my specialized study right here. It is in acceleration mode. It is going to recover from that drastic drop yesterday. I expect occasional sell-offs as sellers lock in gains, but it is going to continue to go higher. I wouldn't be surprised to see it go higher than $35. It's looking good to me. All the signs point to go. And like I said, this is video number 3. I'm going to go ahead and mark this right here as video number 3. And we'll keep that right on there. And as you can see, the decline of Tlry, the fall from grace, the double bounce down here, and then the recovery. And there it goes. And here we are. All right. Till next time.